Driving under the influence is never a good idea. It'll cost you, and not just financially. Let's look at the real cost of a DUI. Cost of life. A person in Texas dies every 9 hours and 6 minutes in an alcohol-related traffic crash. In 2020, 963 people in Texas were killed and 2,114 seriously injured because someone chose to get behind the wheel while impaired. These are senseless deaths that could have been avoided. Cost of freedom. Getting a DUI results in up to 100 hours of required community service and possible jail time. Financial cost. Legal fees, increased insurance premiums, and bail could end up costing you around $10,000. That's not counting lost wages from missing work due to court dates, community service, or jail time. All of these costs can be avoided by simply never drinking and driving. Be smart and be safe.